men say it looked like rain today. It crackled on the speakers and trickled down the sleepy subway trains. For heavy eyes could hardly hold us, aching legs that often told us it's all worth it. We all fall in love sometimes. The full moon's bright and starlight filled with the evening. We wrote it and I played. Something happened, it's so strange, this feeling. Now you know you show that we're childish, simple truth to try to hide it. But when it comes, we all fall in love sometimes. Did we, should we, couldn't we? We're not sure, cause sometimes we're so bright, struggling through the day, even when you best can say, don't you mind? We are born in love sometimes. And only passing time could kill the boredom we acquired, running with the loser for a while, but the empty sky was filled with laughter just before the blind, painting wanting faces with a smile. Wise men say